Hello everyone, myself Akash Rajesh Vorkade, student of PVG College of Engineering and Technology, Pune. Currently, I am studying in third year of Bachelor of Engineering degree. My area of interest are Internet of Things, Cloud App Development, and Artificial Intelligence. This video is about the web app that I have developed and information about the cloud platform. So let's explore. My project title is Smart Agriculture System. The overview of the project is the system based on IoT can monitor soil moisture and climate condition to grow and yield a good crop. A farmer can also see the real-time weather forecasting data by using external platform like OpenWeather API. In older days, farmers used to figure the ripening of soil and influence species to develop which to kind of yield. They didn't think about the humidity, level of water, and especially climate condition, which terrible a farmer increasing. The Internet of Things is remodeling the agriculture business, empowering the agriculturists through the extensive range of strategies. A farmer is provided with a weather app using which he can monitor the temperature, humidity, and soil moisture parameter along with weather forecasting details. Based on all the parameters, he can water his plant and by controlling the motor using mobile app. Even if the farmer is not present near his crop, he can water his crop by controlling the motor using the mobile application from anywhere. Here we have used the online IoT simulator for getting the temperature, humidity, and pressure values. Now see my dashboard. Here is my dashboard. Here are the project details provided to us for our project. Here is the project task provided to us. Here are subtasks given to us which we have performed weekly. You can see here. Here are the tasks provided to us to build an web app. Here is the task and progress of our app. Where the mentor check it day by day, daily. So now let's start with cloud. Cloud is a set of cloud computing services. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage, cloud storage, and computing power without direct active management by the user. The term is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. The availability of high-capacity networks, low-cost computers, and storage devices, as well as widespread adoption of hardware virtualization, service-oriented architecture, and automatic and utility computer has led to grow in cloud computing. Here we have used IBM Cloud. Cloud is a set of cloud computing services for business offered by the information technology company IBM. It combines platform as a service, PaaS with an infrastructure as a service. These are many cloud platforms like IBM platform, many other platforms like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. IBM lists over 190 cloud service from which some of the services are we have used here. These are Watson Assistant, Watson Studio, machine learning. Also many databases like Cloud and DB2 and we are used for this our internship Internet of Things platform. Now talk about cloud storage. Cloud storage is a model of computing. Cloud storage is a model of computer data storage in which digital data is stored in logical pools. The physical storage spans multiple servers, sometimes in multiple locations, and the physical environment is typically owned and managed by a hosting company. These cloud storage providers are responsible for keeping the data available and accessible, and the physical environment protected and running. People and organizations buy or lease storage capacity from the provider to store user organization or application data. Cloud storage services may be accessed through a cloud computing service, a web service application programming interface API, or by application that utilize the API, such as cloud desktop storage, cloud storage gateway, or web-based content management system. Now talk about cloud deployment models. First is private cloud. Private cloud is cloud infrastructure operated solely for a single organizations, whether managed internally or by a third party and hosted either internally or externally. Second is public cloud. A cloud is called as public cloud when the services are rendered over a network that is open for public use. Public cloud service may be free or purchasable. Third is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a comparison of public cloud and a private environment such as private cloud and on-premises resources. Now talk about Node-RED. Here the passing of flow I have made for my internship. You can see the flow. This is for motor on-off status. This is for temperature, humidity and pressure sensors. And this is the link from where I got the data of my city, Amravati city. Here you can see the output in the debug bar. When I injected, I can here see the weather of forecast of my city. Now let's explore the web app that I have developed. Here is the app, Smart Agriculture System. The front page, title page. Second is the field data, which you retrieve from IoT simulator. Is the temperature, humidity, and pressure. Third one is the motor status, which gives us the status of our motor from the field. And fourth one is the weather forecast of my city, Amravati. So now let's conclude that the project proposed a thought of consolidating the most recent innovation into agriculture field. Some degree of mechanism is presenting empowering the idea of observing the field and the product condition inside some long separate extent utilizing cloud administration. Thank you. Thank you, Smart Interns.